Well, no deal for Primavera, Arizona's largest online charter school. The state board for charter schools once again voted to continue the revocation process.
The school faces a shutdown following a 12 News investigation. The I-Team's Craig Harris found years of poor grades while the owner was paying himself millions of dollars. Here's Craig with the latest.
Typically, the Arizona Charter Board meets right here, but today they had a special virtual meeting. There was only one item on the agenda, the future of Primavera Online School. And for the third time, the decision was the same. In February, we uncovered years of abysmal academic scores at Primavera. We also found that owner Damian Kramer had paid himself $24 million since the 2017 school year as students failed. The Charter Board then voted to begin the process to revoke Primavera's license to operate. The reason? Failure to meet academic performance expectations. Kramer blamed administrative errors and that his students should have been measured under different standards as an alternative school.
And it was an administrative error on our side. That was our fault, and we take full accountability for that.
The board didn't agree. Primavera then appealed to the board in June. The board again voted against Primavera. This is Charter Board President Jessica Monteearth.
More importantly than anything else, it's for our students. And so when we're circling back to that question all the time, what's in the best interest of our students, I have to vote aye with the rest of the board.
Primavera was supposed to have an appeals hearing last month with a judge. That hearing was canceled. Primavera then offered a settlement on Tuesday. The details were not released. After an hour in a private meeting, this is what happened.
I move to reject the agreement presented by Primavera Virtual Academy, Inc., formerly American Virtual Academy, and discussed in executive session today. I move to authorize the board's attorney to proceed with the revocation process.
Ashley Berg, the executive director of Arizona Charter Board, issued this statement. The Arizona State Board for Charter Schools has rules in place to ensure Arizona public charter schools provide a quality education to students. The board applies these rules and the consequences for not following them fairly and consistently to all Arizona public charter schools under its portfolio.
At the tone, please record your message.
Efforts to reach Primavera owner Damian Kramer and his attorney were unsuccessful. The school, which serves thousands of students, remains open. What's next? Primavera can now appeal to an administrative law judge who will make a decision. Then it will come back here to the board for a final decision on Primavera's future. Reporting at the Capitol, I'm Craig Harris, 12 News.
Craig, thanks.